up, guys? Black Guy Adventures here today, and today we're going to be going out to New Smyrna Beach, Florida. We'll be going out Punt's Inlet as well as to the Disappearing Islands. We'll have more videos on us going there, going out the inlet, doing some fishing, us going to the island with friends. Next boating season, this will probably be the last video that we upload due to the end of boating season coming up with the end of summer. And you guys will probably start seeing some more biking videos that it will start being cooler, and we can get back out there on the bikes. So more information about the marina, dock, port, whatever you want to call it, will be at the end of the video, and will be in the description down below. So make sure to check that down there for any information that would probably be important. So yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video as always, and I'll see y'all in a second. don't know, the reason why this island is called Disappearing Island, or Islands, is because the tide changes. So right now we're in low tide, so most of the island is exposed, and in low tide the water level goes lower, exposing the island. Now, as if y'all can see, so the waves, or the little ripples, the water's coming into the island, and that's because the water's coming in from the inlet and it's going to high tide. So by later on today, this island, like later on today and tonight, this island will be all covered, which is why, if you go over here, this island gets covered up pretty good. Go over here. So it seems like the water level normally gets up to about right here. So I mean, water gets pretty high on high tide, and right now I think that's about probably like 2 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, but that water coming in gets pretty high, and you can also see on the rocks from the inlet over there, same thing, how high the inlet gets, so it's pretty cool. Enjoyed the video. The ramp that we put in is North Causeway. Pretty sure it's North Causeway. I'll have some stuff down in the description down below. Normally this isn't the ramp we put in at. The ramp that we normally put in at is actually under construction right now, so hopefully that should be finished by next boat season ideally. And yeah, so I'll link that down. I really didn't catch any footage of the ramp because it's super chaotic, a lot of boats are there, and there's just a lot going on. But probably, hopefully next time we're there, I'll catch some footage and I'll be better prepared. And yeah, guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Not sure whenever the next video will be coming out. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next one.